All right. Let me put y'all on some games and show y'all like I don't ever teach y'all none. But yeah, have y'all ever heard of or used Thumbtack? I'm back on my teaching shit a little bit. But yeah, Thumbtack is one of those apps where you can go on there and be a professional freelancer, but you can also, you know, use this app with Fiverr. For those of you who don't know what Fiverr is, it's pretty much another freelancing app where you can pay somebody to do the work for you. Thumbtack, you can do it as well. And you can also list yourself on both platforms. The thing about Thumbtack is that you can pay for leads. You know what I'm saying? For any business you want to start. Like, for instance, let's say life coach or business consulting or marketing. All of these things could be remote and you can list your services on there, but they charge a small fee. You could play around with the amount you spend, but I think Thumbtack is very beneficial, guys. I wouldn't be making this video if I'd never used them before. We've had a few, you know, hiccups, but I'm gonna have to call them and make sure everything is smoothed out. But other than that, guys, Thumbtack is a really great app, and you can, like I said, use it with Fiverr. Like for instance, okay, so if you need logo design, or if one of your clients from Thumbtack needs a logo design, you can head right over to Fiverr, and you didn't have to promote. You didn't really have to promote yourself like on any Google ads, or you didn't have to use TikTok ads or anything like that. You could really just do it all from that platform. So I advise you guys to go check that out, man. If you guys want to make some money online, if y'all are interested. And also they got the Airbnb thing too. If you guys want to manage properties for Airbnb or for different hosts on Airbnb or different other you know, um home sharing platforms like that, I would advise y'all to damn, I lost my train of thought. But yeah, oh yeah, I would advise y'all to list that service too on Thumbtack. If you guys, are used to being Airbnb hosts or managers, you guys got a lot of experience in this stuff that you can really, teach people these things. I always advise people to try to teach people what you know. I know some of you guys are charging for this information, man, but like I always say, I think game is free. Like the game is to be told, not sold. Everybody else has a different mindset than me. Everybody wants to sell the game and make money because it's all competition. But I'm really truly not about competition. I'm really truly about helping others, man. And this is one of those videos that I really hope y'all appreciate. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.